Hi everyone, in this video we're going to learn how to view the comments that maybe a teacher has sent to us on an assignment or a discussion. So I'm going to open up here. I can see learning plan, and what I can do is I can actually click on the discussion and I can see over here that I have a grade for mine. So the teacher got back to me and graded my discussion, and next to the grade I can see kind of a thought bubble. It says, "Hi Cindy, thank you for your discussion. It is great to see a fellow basketball player." So that was the comment that was sent by the teacher. So that's how I can see a comment through a discussion. Now I want to see actually the comment on an assignment. Now if I open up that assignment, I can actually click on this submitted assignment here and I can see a comment here. So I can see the teacher submitted, "Great job, Cindy. I also like the color yellow." So this is a nice way for the teacher to provide feedback to the student. But again, in order to access this, you do have to open up the specific discussion and the specific assignment. So I hope this video was helpful in learning how to view teacher comments. Have a great one.